Now for our feature story of the day, let's discuss the latest from Jan 3 Samson Mow and his $10 million Bitcoin price prediction, as well as the latest insights he just recently shared on X. You can see the headline here. It's going to be explosive. Samson Mow predicts $10 million Bitcoin price, but I want to start with some of these recent tweets in which he shared. He wrote, "This matches with my analysis too," referring to this tweet from Adam Back. "With so many left bell curve traders popping up to confidently explain, the short interest increase is just a cash and carry trade. It is no wonder why we constantly see so many liquidations. Like the carry trade didn't exist before this week. So there are some entities shorting massively on futures, and they are likely going to get annihilated soon, which will also push the prices up. Bitcoin being kept at sub 0.07 million, which is 70 G's, baby, is like compressing a coil. It is going to be explosive to the upside soon." And this was off the back of Adam Back's pun intended. No pun intended, actually. Tweet who wrote, "The data doesn't lie. Some basis for trading for sure, but it is a modest percentage. And if your basis trading on the crypto exchange, the collateral is Bitcoin, not ETFs. Plus, someone is buying the CME futures to buy now, pay later. So the buying is happening anyway, just on futures instead of its spot. It is all offset." And then just today, Samson Mow made another tweet. That was June 12th. Yep, today at 3:19 p.m. before we went live. Already got over 8,000 views. And he wrote, "Energy dominance equals hash rate dominance equals economic dominance. Countries that embrace Bitcoin mining will become the next economic superpowers." And again, this is all in alignment with everything we shared earlier. Trump embracing Bitcoin mining, hash wars, as we discussed, Iran, Venezuela, and USA wanting a piece of the pie. And as he circled right here, there's no such thing as a low energy rich country. Preach. And let's dive deeper into the story. And shout out to Samson Mow. By the way, good guy right there. Cryptopreneur Samson Mow projected an explosive rise for the biddies, predicting Bitcoin reaching 10 million per coin. This forecast comes in a period of nothing when the Bitcoin price stabilized at around 70 G's since mid-May and been trading sideways since. The last significant price movement frustrated traders and investors, leading to speculation about the market manipulation. Meanwhile, Adam Back, a key figure in the crypto space, he also played a great role in the introduction of Bitcoin, as they used a lot of the technologies he's already invented to launch Bitcoin, just FYI. So he is like very early adopter there. With ties for the Bitcoin mysterious creator, Satoshi. That's right. I even watched a documentary one time that questioned, what if Adam Back was Satoshi? Some people actually believe that, so you just never know. Now, some also believe that Satoshi is a collective of people, which could have consisted of Adam Back being one of many. What are your thoughts on that theory, family? So anyways, he suggested the current price suppression might be due to the certain sellers urgently needing cash. These sellers, according to the programmer, are offloading their holdings, and once their limited supply is exhausted, the market should start to rise again. He indicated that the data supporters and the presence of basis trading, where the collateral is Bitcoin rather than Bitcoin ETFs, and highlighted that buying activity is still occurring through the CME futures, which points to latent demand, which again, he just shared here. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on some of that. Now, Mow supported Back's analysis, noting the rise in short interest from new, less experienced traders who misinterpret the cash and carry trade. He argued the significant shorting activity on futures is likely unsustainable, and those involved could face massive liquidation soon, like we're witnessing, driving the Bitcoin price upward. Mow likened the current suppressed state of the price to the compressed coil ready to spring, suggesting that it is poised for a dramatic increase. Furthermore, he emphasized that Bitcoin trading below 70 G's is an anomaly, given its trajectory. He expressed confidence that not only would 1 million per Bitcoin eventually seem like a bargain, but the price would ultimately surge to $10 million per biddy, making it a pivotal investment for the future. So there you have it, crypto fam. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Samson Mow that the Bitcoin price will likely be a spring coil to infinity and beyond, surpassing 7 figures and eventually hitting the inevitable 8-figure milestone of 10 million per biddy. Holla at your boy. I'm going to read these comments out loud and welcome everyone just joining the live stream. We live it in the flesh. Pharma bro was vexed. We milked the system to the extreme. It was almost performative, says Silas. I think Satoshi is a group of brilliant people, not an individual, Darth says. But then my question becomes, let's just hypothetically say that theory is correct. Let's say Satoshi is a collective of 8 brilliant individuals. Who was the individual actually writing as Satoshi? Because it may have been a collective, but who was the individual writing as Satoshi in the forums? Yeah, I mean, I want to know that. There's no reason not to believe Adam Back isn't Satoshi. Satoshi walked away to do other things, enter Blockstream to build on top of the creation, says Tony. June 20th is the 8th week since the halving. Historically, the parabolic run happens 6 to 9 weeks after the halving. Be patient and put your trade tables in the upright positions. Boom! Shakalaka. I dig it. I dig it. I dig it. What most people don't know or forget is there's only 16 million Bitcoin. Why? 3.6 million have been permanently lost. Oops, tossed out of the HDMI keys. Satoshi holds over 1 million biddies, and that's over 100 original wallets. True. I heard it was 1.1 million-ish. The hedge funds do both 50% long and 50% shorts. They get the arbitrage. Let us get that 1 million first, Monaco. Word. Yeah, you think El Salvador would become a vacation destination in a couple of years thanks to the biddies? I think it's already become a great vacation destination. Numbers don't lie, family. I don't get the group theory. Satoshi was one man. Says JBZ. Let's turn Elvis's songs into Bitcoin songs. You can do that with AI. In fact, I saw you can put the craziest songs and convert. I heard yesterday Tupac hit 'em up 1950 style, bro. It was the craziest thing I've ever heard. Tupac hit 'em up 1950s like Motown style. AI can do it like that. Satoshi definitely bought the biddies from another wallet. It says Cosmocom. Satoshi equals the BlackRock Aladdin. What's the BlackRock Aladdin? I've heard of that, Kepler. I think I should leave now. Might be better if I'm not here. If something comes up, I wasn't even here. You're a ghost, I3. You are officially a ghost. How else will he be rich enough to stay anonymous? 504 on X. Appreciate the X fam. Thank you guys. And shout out to the one and only DMX. Rest in peace, brother. Joseph. Appreciate you. Rocket ship to the moon. Send it. Let's get it. You know how we do. Howdy, fam.
Wait for the pump to come, we should have bought that. Yeah. Crypto to zero, they really thought that. Again, you can call me
3AC because I'm blowing it up. Short squeeze on the chart. Yeah, it's going to pump.
Pump it up, don't you know?
Trump it up. You got to trump it up. Don't you know? Trump it up. Satoshi is most likely a tiny traveling alien robot. So you're ultimately saying the alien from that Stephen Greer documentary where the alien was this big and they did the DNA test and confirmed it was real. That's Satoshi. The little being that was this big. That's Satoshi, is what you're telling me. Interesting.
Oompa, loompa, doompa-dee.